an optimal study session? For how long should you study? Research has shown that whatever the mind can memorize within 24 hours, 80% of that memorized things finish from your memory. It is a natural phenomenon, as a natural one. You are unable to memorize all the things for the whole life as well. Within 24 hours, 80%, which is supposed to be learned by the students, 80% removed from their memory. Oh my goodness! And next day, for example, 20% remaining of that 100%, which already 80% finished from your memory, 20% and 80% of 20% will remove from memory in the next 24 hours. It is a problem whenever, for example, a one-day delay. And a holiday, any other activity as well. When we open our book, which was taught in the classroom by the teacher, we learned as well, it could be a new one as well, because everything seems to be a new when we are making a story. It is a natural phenomenon. The man cannot memorize these things for a long time. We will have to repeat it. We will have to learn over and over again, so that the pattern of memory should get some sort of words in your permanent memory. So what I mean, an optimal study session, not more than 20 minutes. We should not study. Here I am observing, especially in this area, the people are studying more than 2 hours and 3 hours. Oh my dear friends, not a single subject could be taught and could be learned by the students or by the teachers as well. I mean, please, not more than 20 minutes. An optimal study session is just 20 minutes, 20 minutes and 20 minutes. Within 20 minutes, you can study any your subject. What is over there? The science, for example, your general knowledge, your physics, your chemistry, mathematics, just 20 minutes. Within 20 minutes, you can learn, because I have told earlier as well that we have a cyclical pattern of memory. 20 minutes starting over there. As the study time becoming longer, the dip of memory over there as well. So please, within 20 minutes is a smaller one, smaller cyclical starting point you are learning, and ending point you are learning. As within 20 minutes you are studying just one subject of physics, for example, then study within 20 minutes. Just after 20 minutes, close this subject. I'm not talking about that you should close your all books. No. You can, then you will have to select another topic, the chemistry, biology, any other subject as well, and then open, and within 20 minutes you to study, and then close it, and the whole session of all subjects, not more than 2 hours. If you are studying, for example, all these subjects, but you could study within 2 hours, not more than 5 subjects. Okay, then stop in every connection, stop study, and then go outside. While studying, what I have studying as well, make some sort of exercise, make yourself energetic as well by these sort of exercises, because if you are energetic, then you are learning. If you are losing your energy, the learning process stop completely. So energize yourself. After 2 hours, take some rest of half hours, walking, talking, cup of tea as well, and then start again. Not more than 20 minutes of one subject. Just every subject should be learned not more than 20 minutes, so that you will make separate things, and within these sort of gaps, you will take some exercises, you will energize yourself, and you will continue. And just do it. You will feel a remarkable change in your memory. You will be able to memorize the things remarkably. Second, please take care. Within 24 hours, you should revise your lesson. Here, I would like to give a remarkable advice, especially for students. End of any study period, last 5 minutes, try to revise what is taught by your teacher. Try to revise. And here I would like to give you a very important advice over there, that please share your close friend, which is taught by the teacher. Share with him and her as well, and she or he will share with you as well. Just end of the period, revise one, and I'm sure the first principle of 24 hours will be implemented. You will revise within 24 hours, and it will be in your memory for always. You will not be very much strict, especially end of the day, in the evening, at night. Revise just within first 5 minutes. You should revise your first lesson, and it will be in your memory as well. Thank you.